Hi everyone, welcome to our showroom. Today we'll take you on a quick tour of our star products, each designed to bring your visual ideas to life. Let's get started. First up, check out our P3.91 indoor holographic screen. It's all about being lightweight and slim. It weighs only 5 kg per square meter and is only 1.7 mm thin. And the best part, it has no visible frame or bars in the middle of the screen, providing high visual transparency of 85 to 95% when attached to a glass window. Imagine the possibilities for your brand showrooms, retail store windows, museums, and the product launch events. How cool is that? Moving on to our transparent screen series. This is our indoor model. Each panel is 1 meter by 1 meter with a 75% transparency rate. It supports various installation methods like wall mounting, ground support, or top and bottom support. You'll see it perfectly used in shopping malls, office buildings, retail stores, and supermarkets. Need a solution for outdoors? We've got you covered. This is our outdoor transparent screen. It's versatile, great for both fixed installation and rental projects. The cabinets feature quick locks, making setup a breeze. You can also use our curved locks to create a seamless curved display. The cabinet measures 1000 by 500 mm, allows for front and rear maintenance, and has an IP65 protection level, so it's perfectly built for the elements. In recent years, at concerts and festivals, besides the main stage screens, our clients often choose this outdoor transparent screen to build two side screens. They look fantastic and deliver a stunning visual experience. Now let's talk about our outdoor mesh screen. Imagine a huge display on the side of a building. People are viewing it from far away in broad daylight. How do you make sure it's still clearly visible? The answer is our outdoor high brightness mesh screen. This product delivers an incredible brightness of up to 10,000 nits, ensuring perfect visibility even in direct sunlight. Now let's explore our range of indoor fixed installation displays. First, let me introduce our premium series, the MA600. It features a standard 16 by 9 golden radio cabinet size and an ultra-fine pixel pitch as low as p0.9, making it the ultimate choice for high-end indoor displays. It's incredibly lightweight and slim, with cabinet weight of 4.5 kg and thickness of 31 mm. Constructed from die-cast aluminum, it offers excellent screen flatness and supports full front service. It's ideal for wall mounting in applications like boardroom, brand showroom, control room, and home theaters. Next up is our value-packed option, the MA640, with a cabinet size of 640 by 480 mm and full front maintenance. It ensures quick and easy installation using fast locks. The cabinets are made from high-quality magnesium alloy, guaranteeing stability, long-term structural integrity, and superior heat dissipation. We even offer two options, soft connection and hard connection, allowing you to choose based on your project's budget. To meet diverse screen size requirements, we developed the MA250 series. It offers flexible cabinet dimensions, height of 250 or 500 mm, and width of 500, 750 or 1000 mm. These different sizes can be mixed and matched, providing flexibility for your display wall. Furthermore, this series supports double-sided display. The aluminum cabinets are lightweight, slim, supports full front service, and can be installed in various ways, including wall mounting and hanging. Finally, we have the IF320 series. We mount 3 of 320 by 160 mm modules onto a single plastic kit, creating a 320 by 480 mm cabinet. Its 3-in-1 high integration board combines the power supply, receiving card, and hub, which reduces wiring and interfaces to enhance reliability and stability. Magnetic posts on the back of the kit allow for easy mounting onto simple structures. This design ensures easy installation, maintenance, and optimal performance for various indoor applications. Working on an outdoor project, we've got you covered with several great options. First up, meet our energy-saving star, the EV960. It uses common cathode technology, which saves about 40% more energy compared to traditional outdoor screens. The cabinet size is 960 by 960 mm, and both the cabinet and the module back shell are made of aluminum for better heat dissipation. The modules feature a hard connection design, supports dual maintenance, and are fully sealed on the back. The entire screen is built for direct outdoor exposure without extra shielding. Plus, these cabinets can be arranged in both curved and right-angle setups, making them perfect for outdoor 3D projects. Need higher pixel density? Check out our OF1000. We can currently achieve a fine pixel pitch of p2.976. Like the EV960, it also uses common cathode technology for energy savings and features aluminum cabinet and modules. With a 1 meter by 1 meter cabinet size, it also supports curved and right-angle configurations. Now for the best bang for your buck. The MA960 series is the undisputed champion. The magnesium alloy cabinets are built for rear maintenance, and you can pick a blue or black back door. Choose from a wide range of pixel pitches, from P2.5 to P10. The standard 960 by 960 mm cabinet weighs 28 kg. Setup is a breeze with quick locks cabinets and aviation plugs for all connections, which also gives you superior waterproofing. It's also versatile enough for curved 3D projects, using custom-made iron cabinets for the corner sections. We also offer a complete stadium LED screen solution. Our stadium LED screens feature a protective design. The soft LED module mask and integrated soft pillow not only protect the screen itself, but also safeguard athletes from impact injuries. We use super sturdy brackets that keep the display standing strong through all the action, so you'll get safety and reliability you can count on. Plus, with our adjustable rear brackets, you can tilt the screen to the perfect angle. That means better view for everyone, bigger impact for advertisers, and more excitement for the fan. We also have a full range of rental series products. Let's start with our MY series outdoor P2.604 display. It comes in two cabinet sizes, 500 by 500 mm and 500 by 1000 mm. The modules feature a hard connection design and support both front and rear maintenance. The detachable power box on the back adds to the flexibility, and the system supports both right-angle and curved installations. What's more, you can choose between SMD and COB module types. For outdoor screens, black LEDs are also available to deliver higher contrast radio. Next up is our MYS 500 flexible rental display with a 500 by 500 mm cabinet. You can see from the back that the modules are made up of these slim strips. Each cabinet can form a 45-degree arc, allowing you to easily create S-shape, U-shape, and other curved displays, both inward and outward. The minimum bending radius is just 0.64 meters, and only 8 cabinets are needed to form a full circle. It's also fully compatible with our standard MY500 cabinets, so you can mix flat and curved screens seamlessly. Ready for something next level? Meet our XR Stage series, built especially for virtual production, film studios, and XR applications. XR LED displays are totally shaking up how films and shows are made. They're immersive, real-time, and becoming the top choice for next-gen studio environments. As the core of an XR stage, the LED wall must deliver sharp images, excellent grayscale performance, and precise brightness balance. Our XR series uses a 16-bit virtual production studio-grade panel with a 7680 Hz refresh rate for flicker-free performance and an ultra-high 15,000 to 1 contrast radio. It also supports attractive shutter 3D technology. On the controller side, we use Novastar's XR solution designed specifically for camera shooting scenarios. It solved common issues like black field and skylines while boosting image quality. The whole system runs on Novastar's VMP control platform, so you get seamless control from design to monitoring. It's all about giving you a real-world shooting experience, only better. This is our flexible LED module solution. We offer a variety of sizes with pixel pitches ranging from P0.9 to P4. They allow you to create uniquely shaped LED displays that go beyond the flat screen, adding a modern and stylish appeal. The back of each flexible module is equipped with high-strength magnets for easy installation onto the custom iron frames. The entire system supports front maintenance, making setup and servicing incredibly simple and fast. So picture this, an amazing LED sphere, a glowing cylinder, or any custom shape you can dream up. It's the kind of display that stops people in their tracks and opens up a world of new possibilities and profits for you. That's the power of our flexible LED technology. Ready for something you can actually work on? Check out our interactive floor LED screen. It works great indoors or outdoors. Check this out. Each module has 8 super responsive sensors that react in just 0.016 seconds. That's faster than the blink of an eye. And don't worry about the weight. We've built it with 64 super strong support pillars underneath. It can handle up to 2.2 tons per square meter. The top mask is a special imported PC material. It's tough, waterproof, sleep-proof, and reduces glare, so it's built to last no matter where you use it. About the screen height, you can adjust it from 13 to 17 cm and install it flush with the floor or right on top. Imagine using this for an XR immersive experience in a shopping mall, at a trade show, or even in a bar. It's a total game changer for engagement. Need a screen that's literally plug and play? Say hello to our LED posters. We've got 5 awesome models to choose from, with pixel pitches from 1.25 to 2.5. Let me walk you through the lineup. LC60C. This is your go-to for great value. It does seamless splicing to create bigger screens. LC60CF. Love the LC60C but need portability? This one folds up. And the LC60S. Want to upgrade? The LC60S has better specs, and thanks to its aluminum cabinet, it has a super flat picture. LC60F. This is our high-end foldable poster. It's made of 4 sturdy die-cast aluminum panels, and you can serve it from the front. Now, the first 4 models are all the same grade size, 640mm wide by 1920mm high. And for the ultimate poster, meet the LC70. It's bigger, thinner, has a hard connection design, and can even be double-sided. All of them can come with a built-in Novastar player. Just plug in USB, connect via Wi-Fi, or use HDMI cable. You can line them up for a big video wall in boardrooms, schools, or malls. It's that easy. Additionally, we will soon be launching a new product, a trifold poster. Stay tuned for more updates. Finally, let's see our mobile LED screens. A mobile LED screen is essentially an LED display mounted on a vehicle like a truck or trailer. You might also hear it called a mobile LED wall, LED trailer, or LED truck display. We offer 3 main models. The ML10 is AC powered and features a liftable, foldable structure. It's paired with our MY Rental Series cabinets, and the screen size can be customized. The ML15S is solar powered and displays a single color, yellow. It's typically used for variable message sign projects. The ML30S is also solar powered but is a full color display. Its structure can be lifted, folded, and even rotated, and the screen size is customizable. These mobile solutions are perfect for outdoor events and festivals. shows, concerts, sports events, and various advertising and promotional campaigns. Ready to create something amazing together? Reach out to us for a custom quote or consultation. Find all the details and get in touch with us. Thanks for watching.